In this program, we are going to check if number is magic number or not. A number is said to be magic if sum of the digits is 1. We have already done a program to find the sum of a number. So let us take input and prompt the user to enter number. So after that, I'm going to take sum as 0 and take temp as num, and for, or let us say while, condition should be there for temp greater than 0. So whenever the temp is greater than 0, you need to find the sum, that is sum plus is equal to temp modulo 10, getting the digit and adding to the sum, and after that changing the temp with integer division. We have already discussed about it. So after that, when we have got the sum, we need to check if sum is equal to 1, then it is going to be a magic number, else it would be not magic number. So saving the program with magic number .py, now running it, let us say 10, the sum would be 1. It is a magic number. So whenever you are getting the sum as 1, it is going to be a magic number. The thing is, this program has to be modified, because whenever you will get a sum as 2-digit number, then it may give not a magic number. Let us say you got sum as 28 and 2 plus 8 is going to be 10. So 10 again added 1 plus 0 is going to be 1. But initially you would have got the result as not a magic number. So you need to change this as, so we are going to nest the loop, that is while sum is greater than 0, till then we have to do this. So after there, sum is going to be 0 and temp is going to be sum is greater than 9. If it is greater than 9, and temp will be equal to sum will be equal to 0, and while the temp is greater than 0, we will calculate the sum. So there is no problem over here. Beforehand we are giving sum as num, so no problem, and saving it. Now running the module, let us say 10, you would get a magic number. Let us say I am giving the number as 10 times 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a magic number. You would have got the sum initially as 10, then it would not have been a magic number. But now it is a magic number because we have added a line that while the sum is greater than 9, that is, the sum is one digit. Then we are changing the temp into sum and sum as 0 until and unless the sum is greater than 9. So this is a very long process. We can change this again in a single line. And what that can be, I am going to remove these lines. These are unnecessary, and here I am going to type num modulo 9 equal to 1. Let us check. If it was 10, then it is a magic number. Let us check for 10 times 10. It doesn't make any difference. So let us say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is a magic number.